What's going on, guys? 2017 Vertex inner case 4-box random number 1. Going live 12/5/3 timestamp. Already have the teams, already have the names in. We roll both, put you in the spreadsheet wherever you line up, that's who you get. Dice always 4 or more. Going 9. 9 on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Broncos on top, Colts on the bottom. ETG LPD is the code for the teams. Let's do the names. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ralph on top, Adam on the bottom. XJVBYU is the code for the names. There you go, guys. That is who you have. Thank you all very much, and we are done. 12/5/4. Good luck, guys.